Hi guys, here we are in Southampton at the Ibis Budget Hotel. This is the night before our 2-day taster cruise. So there's not much to show in here really. You've got the shower there with your hair, body and hand wash. We've got a little sink unit there with again hair, body and hand wash. The same stuff. Shaving plug there. You've got the climate control there, which is set at 19.5 by the look of it.
Toilet.
There's the toilet in there.
It's got no lock on.
No.
Weird.
Yeah.
But anyway.
You've got your double bed there. Small wardrobe area there.
Unlike the resters.
That's the view from the room, which is McDonald's. You've got TGI Fridays just to the left of it.
IKEA.
And the West Quay shopping centre there with IKEA. The port, or certainly the Horizon Terminal, is literally just outside of the pier and probably about a 5-minute walk.
Yep.
And also Southampton Central Train Station was also about a 5-minute
Yep.
walk from here. This fan was provided because it was quite warm when we came in. There's another plug socket there for phone charging. I think that's it. There's no other plug sockets in the room. There's one for shaving. You've got buttons on there that do your lights. 2 bedside lights, and then you've got your strip light there that's all the way around the outside of the room there. Yeah, and that's our room here at Southampton in the Ibis Budget Hotel. Thanks for watching guys. See you all real soon.